Hi fams, today we are making a puff puff. As you can see, it's so fresh. Pepper puff puff. I use 2 cups of flour. I use yeast. I use pepper and sugar with pinch of salt. So this is the flour. I shift the flour. That's 2 cups of flour with my measurement cup. Then I use sugar. That's sugar, guys. So I use sugar. I use 5 tablespoons. Actually, because I didn't make sure the tablespoon to be full, but because I used my left hand, I don't want to cover the camera. So instead, please just use 3. Use 3 tablespoons of sugar. So that will be enough, guys. Assuming I measure it full, that will be the same thing. So I used yeast. That was 1 tablespoon of yeast. Then just pinch of salt. Just pinch of salt. You can see how small it is, guys. So I mix everything together. Just for everything to be combined. Then I use my pepper, just 1 bell pepper. You can see, guys, I grated the pepper inside the flour. So smooth. Oh, just for our pepper puff puff, guys. If you taste this puff puff, you will not taste any other again. So just Nigeria made, guys. Remember, I'm a Nigerian. So I put the pepper inside and I put my water. Guys, you put your water bit by bit, just the way I'm doing as well, because I don't want the mixture to be watery later on. So I put my water bit by bit. I mix everything, mix. Then I put another another bit of water again. Then I mix again. I'm so sorry I'm not using my glove. Actually, I didn't get any, so, and I don't want the day to be waste. So I just have to do something. I'm so sorry, guys. I use my hands. So instead, please kindly use glove, just for it to be hygienic. So I use my hand to mix. You can see, later I clean the side of the bowl. Then I covered it. After on, I use towel to cover it as well, because the puff puff need it for it to be rice. So after 30 minutes, guys, you can see the puff puff. I'm sorry I didn't show you so well. So I put my oil inside the pot. Then I put the puff puff in the oil, bit by bit, in the butter. So you can see how it tastes, small butter. Afterwards, I use my 2 matchstick and turn the puff puff until it's brown. Please, guys, please use low heat. You make sure that you fry your puff puff on a low heat. That's how it is, because it have to, like, the flour have to be so done inside. So you have to do it on a low heat. You can see how the puff puff is rising on its own. It will definitely jump up because yeast is inside, of course. So you can see how it is, guys. That's why I did my own. So afterwards, guys, you can see how fresh it is, guys. Simple as it is. Nigerian made puff puff. I don't know about any other one, but this is the best. You can see how fresh, how round it is. That is it. You can see how I open it, see the inside. So fresh. Everything is done, not like one side or something. You can see everything is dry. So, guys, kindly follow up on my channel. Try to like and subscribe. Please, guys, like, subscribe and share. Make your comments. Tell me your own idea or anything. And next video we're making, always, guys, please turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any video I post on this page. Kindly subscribe. Don't go anywhere. Subscribe, guys. Please subscribe on my channel. Thank you so much for watching.
This puff puff. This puff puff. Nice. Very nice. Subscribe.